Today we will explore both paid and free methods of promoting Telegram channels. In this chapter about promotion of Telegram channels, we will cover free and paid methods of promotion, real examples, and instructions to set up different methods. Articles on other platforms. Let's delve into this in more detail. This method can be used by both those who write articles on other platforms and those who do not. If you are an expert and write articles on other platforms, I recommend including links to your Telegram channel in these articles. If you do not write articles on other platforms, you can simply repost your Telegram posts on other platforms. For instance, I do this by reposting the most relevant posts on Medium, Indie Hackers, and other platforms, depending on the topic of my channel. And of course, I include links to my Telegram channel. For example, in this article, I mention my Telegram channel several times, at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. To encourage more people to visit your Telegram channel, you should include a call to action and motivation why someone should join your Telegram channel. For example, you can mention that you provide more detailed information on a fact from the article in your Telegram channel, or that you offer additional tips in the Telegram channel. It is best to mention your Telegram channel several times. On which platforms can you publish? On those that match your topic. I usually post on Medium and Indie Hackers. You can post on them or any other relevant ones. Additionally, I always mention my Telegram channel in articles and in the header on my websites. This is the statistics of my first analytics channel, which currently has more than 15,000 subscribers. As you can see, most of the subscribers come to my channel from other platforms, specifically from my personal resources and the articles I have published. Reposting a Telegram post on other platform is usually quick, except in cases where I slightly modify the post to better fit the platform. However, this consistently brings in new subscribers. The more articles you include your link in, the more automatic the traffic to your channel becomes. For the growth of this channel, I did not use paid methods, but I have used them for other channels, which I will discuss later. For now, let's continue with the free methods. Amongst the articles that get a lot of views and drive traffic to your Telegram channel are various kinds of lists. For example, a list of tools in your niche or a list of educational courses in your niche. Other types of lists include the best blogs or websites in your niche, influential people or experts to follow in your niche, case studies or success stories from your niche, upcoming events, webinars or conferences, essential books or publications, the latest trends and developments, useful apps or software relevant to your niche, inspiring quotes or motivational content, frequently asked questions and expert answers. Subscribers from articles are the highest quality, targeted and engaged subscribers. Why? Because they go through a specific journey to subscribe to your channel. They have a problem they need to solve, find your article, read it, realize you provide valuable information, and subscribe to your Telegram channel for more. They are highly interested in the information you offer.